Hey guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, and it's F Day today. Hopefully, you had a great evening last night. It was a nice night. We've had some great weather recently, so that's awesome. Um, Today, if you are in my IM periods 2 and 4, you are asynchronous or doing independent learning today. You are doing a project called What's Your Word? So you're going to create a word and you're going to create a symbol for that word. And then you're going to put you and the symbol in a Flipgrid video and explain why you chose that word. There are very specific directions on Schoology with examples so you can see, but I did have a lot of students who had asynchronous yesterday forget to actually create the word. They just did the video and they said what their word was, but they never made the creation. So the creation can be physical or digital. Either way is fine, but make sure you create that symbol with your word in it prior to making the video. Then you also need to do some IXL today. IXL had some hiccups yesterday. It was on IXL's side, not our side, not the DISD side. But it's always, I shouldn't say always, but it's usually resolved in a couple hours. So if you go to do the IXL and for some reason you can't get into IXL, it's giving you an error message, kind of just go do a different subject and come back maybe an hour later and try the diagnostic again. So you're going to see that there is an instructional video for you there, an IXL video about how to get to the diagnostic and how to get it to be English or ELA only. And then we're asking that you do 15 minutes of the IXL diagnostic because it really helps to get your current level. And I know I talked about that in yesterday's video for the PM students. For today, if you are in my periods 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, you have synchronous or live learning today. And I'll see you on Zoom at your Zoom time. Please try to get to the Zoom a little bit prior to, I know you have classes before, some of you, but try to get there a little bit early. Like, don't wait till the very last minute, because if you do have issues, I do try to give the first 5 minutes while I'm doing attendance and kind of chatting to really check my email and check my Schoology messages in case there's anybody who's having trouble getting into the Zoom. I don't want you to miss and be marked absent, so definitely try to make sure you're in there at least on time, if not a couple minutes early, so that I can make sure that if you're struggling, I can get you help. All right, so today during our synchronous lesson, we are going to do email etiquette lesson. We're going to go through how to email your teacher. We're going to have a little group work with breakout rooms today, and you have a little bit of something you need to work on collaboratively when you're in that group. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I think it looks like it's going to be another warmer day again. So get outside if you can. Send me a message if you're struggling with any of this. And for my afternoon classes, I will see you later on this afternoon. Bye, guys.